One of the simplest things you can prepare for a special occasion is pasta. Kaya today, gagawa tayo ng seafood in olive oil. Let's start cooking. First of all, we are going to cook our pasta. So this is my boiling water. And this is a very simple recipe. Masarap siya, no? Especially if you have it with other ulam. Kasi sometimes when we eat pasta, may iba pang ulam. So ito very neutral siya. And the flavor of our fresh seafood will shine. So, ito, oil-based lang yung ating pasta. So, first and foremost, we will cook our pasta, water, boiling water with salt. While my pasta is cooking, I'll begin with my sauce. So, very simple. So, I will start off with olive oil. And we're using olive oil. And before pa uminit yung aking oil, I will now add my garlic. Ayan. So, sliced garlic, around 6 cloves of garlic. Very garlic ito. What I'm doing here is, ayaw ko yung aking olive oil is very hot, no? So, ito siya. So, little by little, I'm cooking my garlic to infuse the flavor. So, para siyang confit, no? Slow cooking lang. Hindi ko gagawing toasted yung aking garlic, no? And I will add some chili flakes para may medyo konting spice. Yan. So, my garlic is done. I will now add my clams. So, yung clams ko, buhay pa siya actually. Binabad ko siya, tubig, na may asin. So, it will spit out any sand or dirt na nakain niya and just keep on rinsing it. No? So, ito siya. I will add my clams to my oil to cook it. So, tingnan mo, no? As soon as the clams begin to open, hindi pa siya open lahat, ha? Pero yung pasta natin is already almost done. No? So, yung ginagawa natin dito, hindi natin i-overcook yung pasta natin. No? We want it to be just cooked enough kasi lulutuin pa natin siya dito sa ating water. Galing dito sa ating clam stock. Add our squid last minute. Add our shrimps last minute. Now, season with some salt, black pepper. Yan. I will just add here some lemon. And to finish, ito malapit na siya matapos, I will just add more olive oil. Use good quality olive oil to finish. Olive oil, no? Extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and some fresh parsley, and we're done. Ang bango, no? Sobrang simple ng ating recipe. Yan, just mix to emulsify. Tingnan mo, naging creamy yung ating oil and juices together. So, bed of our pasta. Very nice. Happy, di ba? Our seafood on top. A little bit of Parmesan cheese, or you can serve it on the side. You can add even more fresh parsley. Importante dito, titikman natin yung ating luto, di ba? Tikim, tikim, tikim. Ito, very nice, very simple. Such a simple, delicious, and elegant dish you can serve to your guests or to your family. Something for a weekend. After going to the market, eto na siya yung gawin mo. Ang ating seafood pasta in olive oil. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!